today I'm giving you a whole tutorial on this hair right here. I am styling it for you fresh from the pack. I'm going to tell you a little bit about this hair, then stay tuned for the video. This hair is from Tinashe's Hair company. I will link everything down below. This is their 24-inch curly hair. This is a 13x4 front lace wig of theirs. This is this is a 24-inch. This is a 180 density. So it's not too full, but it's not too thin for curly hair. So I will link everything down below, dolls. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Dark Skin Next Door. This wig is fresh from the pack. I did not bleach the knots or anything before this video, but I did put a little bit of foundation on the lace. I put foundation on the lace in the color coffee. And also I wanted to show you that it has an adjustable strap in the back. I love it so much on the wigs. I thought that was perfect, and it does hold down your wig, so you don't technically need glue. Now the wig is fitted how I want it to, I'm going to cut near the ear tabs. I'm sectioning off the baby hair, and I'm going to just pluck along the hairline just so it looks a little bit more natural. Using a plug-in straightener right now, hot comb, just so the front can lay a little bit more flat. Cutting the lace so we can get to gluing the lace down, and I am using the Esha glue. the baby hairs are all plucked, now it's time to form the baby hairs. I'm using the Eco Style gel. Wide middle part, but I didn't over pluck it, but I still added a little bit of makeup. Defining the curls by combing through them, just so I can get the little hairs that I plucked out the hair so it's not shedding throughout the day. I'm just using water and a mousse and also Curl La La product. it's all done, I really hope that you learned something from this video. But thank you for watching, dolls. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below.